My name is Danielle and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I did something really different. Different. I did this look. Just look at it. It is bright. Rainbow. It's got all the colors of the rainbow. Probably not all of them, but you get my drift. It is a lot of bright, bold colors, if you get what I mean. Anyways, today we're using the Rue Beauty Electric Eye Palette. Looks like that. My lights are reflecting on it. Anyways, this is what the colors look like. Just like that. You can see it's well loved because it is a really good dupe. Like, it is compared, like, me and my best friend compared it to the Urban Decay electric palette because it's like it. I think this one has a little bit, like, a few more colors than the Urban Decay palette, but it is, like, they're, like, the same. Like, I don't own the Urban Decay electric palette. I have swatched it. And they are pretty similar. And this was only $7. So, but I don't think they carry this anymore. I know, it's so sad. I've tried looking on eBay, Amazon, Rue 21, nothing. But it's okay. We'll cherish it while we have it. Anyways, we're going to create this look right here. That's on my eyeballs. Anyways, if you want to see how I created this look right here, just keep on watching. Oh. Okay, so this is my second time doing this video. Oh. I hate technology sometimes. Anyways, so I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids using the Master Prime by Maybelline. Looks like that. And this is fairly new to me. I hope it works out well. So, hope for the best. I ran out of my concealer that I use. So, and you can see that my eye is stained from the first time I filmed this video. So, just gonna blend that in. Focus. Okay. So I don't know if I was in focus for half of what I said. So I just realized I wasn't focused. My camera wasn't focused. My bad. Okay. So I'm just going to set that using a white powder. Just any kind of powder. I'm going in with the Rue Electric palette, and it looks like this. Straight up dupe for the Urban Decay electric palette, though I don't think you can get this one anymore. I've tried to rebuy it because this unfortunately isn't mine. It's my best friend's. She's let me borrow it so I can use it because those colors are intense. I'm going to use concealer, and how I'm going to do this, and I'm going to go in sections with my concealer so that it doesn't dry up before I put the shadow down. So, and the concealer is going to make the eyeshadow pop. So, I am almost out of my Maybelline Fit Me. Actually, I am out. Let me rephrase that. Out of this bottle. I have some. I got a new bottle. I feel lazy. It's in the kitchen, and I don't want to go get it. So we're just gonna live with this. So I'm gonna put the concealer down here. And we're just gonna go to about right there. The first color I'm gonna go into is this yellow right here. And I'm gonna put that there using a flat top brush once I find it. See, this makes it more intense with the concealer. I'm gonna go back into the concealer and I'm gonna get ready to lay the green down. So we're just gonna go on the outer. So now I'm gonna take this green right there and put that right on that concealer. And then I'm gonna blend them together just a bit. Gonna go back into that concealer. So now I'm just gonna take this blue right here and put that on top of the concealer next. So now I'm gonna put Scotch tape, or any kind of tape you have, and I'm gonna put it right there just so I have a crisp line. Just like that. And then I'm just gonna take that concealer and fill it in. Now I'm gonna go into the palette and I'm gonna take this pink right there and put that on that concealer. Should have something like that right now. Now I'm going to take a crease brush and I'm going to take this light purple right here and put that on the top part of my eye. And I'm just going to bring it over those colors. Kind of just to blend out them, but also give my eye a little bit of something. And now I'm going to use that same brush and I'm going to take this purple right here, the top one, and I'm going to put that over top of that light purple. Now I'm going to go into the crease with a more precise crease brush, and I'm going to take this deep, rich purple right here, and I'm going to put that on top of the other purple, just going to deepen it up a bit. But I don't want to take it all the way in. I just want to keep it on the outer edge. Now I'm going to take the tape off. Look at those nice crisp lines. Alright, so we got some fallout, so I'm going to take my makeup wipe and I'm going to clean under my eye. Because now we're going to go backwards. So where I had the yellow to pink, now we're going to go pink to yellow. So, and it's going to go under my eye, so this is going to be fun. Alright, so I'm going to start off with concealer, and I'm going to do it in sections still. So I'm going to take the pink. So now I'm going to do my left side of my lash line off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. So this is what the eye's going to look like after we clean it up on the bottom. Very bright and rainbowy. Alright, so now I'm going to take my makeup wipe and I'm going to clean up under. So that's what the eyes look like. So now I'm going to do the rest of my face and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. So this is the finished look. I love it. Though it's not an everyday look, but it's still there. I love it. Anyways, so I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror. It's just, I love it. It is like my thing. I love rainbows. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you would like to see more videos like this, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel while you're down there. And I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye!